activated for selected warnings affecting the following counties: Butte, Glen, Western Plymouth, Shasta, Tehama, and Eastern Trinity. To repeat, this has been a test of NOAA Weather Radio's warning device. This is only a test. We can now return to our normal programming. Butte, Glen, Western Plymouth, Shasta, Tehama, and Eastern Trinity. Weather conditions at 10 a.m. This has been a test of NOAA Weather Radio's warning device. This is only a test. We can now return to 2.32, and the relative humidity was 32%. The wind was north at 17 miles an hour. The barometric pressure was 30.12 inches and rising. In Red Bluff, sunny. Temperature 63. North wind 14 miles an hour gusting to 22. Elsewhere across the region at 10 a.m. At Chico, with sunny skies. Temperature 57. Variable wind 6 miles an hour. Marysville, under sunny skies. 57 degrees. Northwest wind 8 miles an hour. Sacramento. This is a test of NOAA Weather Radio's warning alarm device and is being run in conjunction with a routine weekly test of the emergency alert system. To provide the most consistent warning service possible, these alerts will only be activated for selected warnings affecting the following counties: Alpine, Amador, Butte, Calaveras, Colusa, El Dorado, Glen, Lake, Nevada, Placer, Western Plymouth, Sacramento, San Joaquin, Sierra, Solano, Stanislaus, Sutter, Tehama, Tuolumne, Yolo, and Yuba. To repeat, this has been a test of NOAA Weather Radio's warning device. This is only a test. We now return to our normal programming. Weather conditions at 10 a.m.